Great day, Luke Jones, Remax New Orleans Properties. I'm here with Chris and Troy with TN Plumbing. Troy's behind the camera. Troy Norman Plumbing, that's where you get the TN. Chris, man, you guys are here to, well, you've already completed the job. You cabled the line on the sewer line because it showed up in the buyer's, like my client's home inspection. And I want to say thank you for your service. You guys have been working together with me for what, 10, 12 years. Is that about right, Troy?
I can't remember. Too long.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
You guys are my #1 plumber. And man, you guys are prompt, you're professional, you offer a tremendous amount of knowledge and experience, like 30 years experience with Troy. And what I like about you guys most is you can come up to a site, no job too small, and you can troubleshoot the situation. Chris, let me ask you, what sets you guys apart from your typical plumber?
We're honest, dependable.
Yeah.
We come in, we get the job done right.
Yeah.
And move on to the next.
That's it. Client service is important to you guys, right?
No doubt. We'll give you a full inspection of what happened, what
Right.
we've done,
Yeah.
and an explanation, and usually some examples about how we got it done in the past.
That's a
and
good
how
idea.
we did it today.
Yeah. So your reporting is excellent too. I mean, your invoicing, your quotes. I mean, I've had you guys bid many jobs for me, and it seems like you always come in, hundreds, if not thousands, less than the other guy. Thousands would be like if you need complete plumbing replacement under your slab, if you've got separations or breaks, or it's holding water. So those are types of things that you want to have reliable plumbers, like you said, trustworthy, honest. Troy Norman, TN Plumbing, and his man Chris, they'll take care of you. Thanks, Chris.
Thank you, Luke.
You're welcome, buddy.